if you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in PUBG. Follow these steps to optimize your game performance and visual quality. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch PUBG and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find the graphics tab. This section allows you to modify the visual settings of the game, including resolution, quality presets, and effects. Step 3. Adjust resolution and display mode. Choose a resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual experience. Additionally, select the appropriate display mode: full screen, windowed, or borderless based on your preference. Step 4. Modify graphics quality. Under the graphics settings, you can adjust the overall quality preset low, medium, high, or ultra. Start with the lowest setting if you're experiencing lag, and gradually increase it to find a balance between performance and visual quality. Step 5. Apply changes and restarts. After making your adjustments, click the Apply button to save your settings. It may be beneficial to restart the game to ensure all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize your graphics settings in PUBG for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.